To install the trolley on the bed, you must first unplug the bed from the wall outlet. Raise the bed to its maximum height using the controls. Then, remove both the headboard and the footboard. Position both sections of the trolley at the head and foot of the bed. Insert the pins into the designated holes and lock them securely. Then, align the bed's wheels so the casters closest to the trolley's casters face inward, towards the frame. Apply the bed brakes to secure the wheels. Ensure the trolley casters are facing inward and locked. Tilt the bed onto the trolley in 2 steps. Note that this step requires 2 people for safety. Disengage the bed brake and ensure all bed casters are facing downward. Use the side panel controls to lower the bed to its lowest height. Reapply the bed brake, unlock the wheels, and you are now ready to move the bed.